Alright, yo guys, so I just wanted to make this video real quick and address something that I've seen today about this new Discord hack technique. Even though this was posted a month ago, I just seen it, I want to make a video on it. So if you receive this DM of this with this picture not loading, do not open it. It will steal your Discord session token and let the hacker change your password and use your account freely, and 2FA does not protect this. So the reason why 2FA does not protect this is because 2FA only protects passwords and stuff, and changing password and stuff like that, and logging in. But your token is basically just a key to get into your account without any protections against it. So if someone puts in your token, they have your account, and I don't think anyone wants that to happen to them. So this is what it looks like right here. I don't know language, so yeah. And yeah, if you see something like that, don't click on it. And I seen another tweet from yesterday, and security alert I can't read today. To PX and today. A new Discord DM scam is going around with a fake image that looks like it's loading, but if you click it, it executes a script to your Discord token ID, which enables the hacker to steal your account. 2FA does not protect this. If you don't want to read all this, you can, but I'm going to read this. Do not click on this image, and always keep your DMs closed. To close your DMs, go to your Discord settings and navigate to your privacy and safety, and disable allow direct messages from other members. Yeah, so if y'all want to read all this, you can. Yeah, so that will be it. I'm gonna try to get another video out today or something, and I might have to do it another day, tomorrow or something, but yeah, see you guys later.